Hi everyone. Today we are going to work on the fourth Wrap Around Rose image. This one I am starting in a yellow for the background. And to lay out the story just a little bit for you, this dangle, I wanted this rose to be like the shining star, the center of attention. You know, something really, really special. And that's why I put it in the middle and had all of the other images supporting it to bring the viewer's eye right to the center where the rose is. I decided to make it kind of a golden color, kind of like what you think the gold of a crown would look like. And that was kind of a hard decision for me. I really wanted to make it pink or peach, but I was trying to make it a little more royal, so to speak, I guess. The way I'm doing it is pretty much like I did the others, putting the background down and then going in with more of the color to make it a little bit bolder, and then going around following the marker lines and then blending those in, and either using white or a dry brush to pull back off some of the paint to make it kind of a three-dimensional, or to give it kind of a three-dimensional look. Okay? Okay. So it will not end up being that bold yellow right there. I think yellow is a really pretty color, but it will be toned down a little. And you see where I'm putting the orange on now, and that's kind of starting that process of bringing it down a little, muting it down a little. And just a piece of information here in case you're curious. If you're working with a variety of colors and you ever want to make them muted, you can add just a little bit of orange to every one of them, and it will mute them all down. Ta-da! That really does come in handy sometimes. Okay, now you can see where I've taken a dry brush and I'm going around pulling off some of the paint and spreading out a little bit of the orange, and that will add a little bit of depth. Yeah, my idea of this was, I don't know, the queen rose, or the rose of the day, the one that's special, in a good way. Not the bad special, the good special. Trying to give you a moment of silence there. Okay, I'm talking again now. And you can see where I'm going over the little buds, this time using white. Whereas I believe in the other ones I did, most of the buds I pulled off the paint. But this one I decided to go ahead and add the white to try to bring the yellow down even more. I hope everybody's having a good day. Here it is really stormy and rainy, and the wind picked up, and it is cold. And this morning it was so nice. I think autumn might have set in, at least for today. Wouldn't mind what my grandma used to call an Indian summer, where you have a few cold days in autumn and then it gets warm again. That would be really nice. Okay, now I'm just repeating this process of, going over it with a little bit of paint, whichever color, and then pulling it back off. Now I'm going in with the green. And I was really surprised when I did this one. I thought this one would take longer than the others, but it actually hasn't. It's the shortest one yet. So I was really surprised by that. And now, well, I'll wait. I was going to tell you about the end, but I'll just wait until we get there. So I'm pulling off a little bit of the green color now. And if you by any chance wonder why I'm using a lot of different brushes, it's because I can't find the brushes I normally use. So I'm experimenting with these. You get quite hooked on your brushes, you know, because you know exactly what they're going to do for you. And still haven't found my palette or my brushes. So I am using some of my new brushes and they work great. I'm just trying to get used to them. So I'm using a variety of them. Okay, now I'm going in and doing some of the outside edges of the leaves. Okay, now I'm pulling off a little bit of paint. Can you see how that makes it a little bit more three-dimensional? I hope you can, because I can. Oh, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I would love it. And hit the bell notification to be notified of future videos. And I would enjoy your comments. If you have any questions, please ask. Or if you would just like to comment on the image or anything, please feel free. Also, if you would like to contribute to my channel so I can keep making videos, that would be greatly appreciated. In the description box below, there are 2 links, one for PayPal, which is a one-time contribution, and I also have Patreon if you would like to become a patron. Okay, now you can see where I'm putting the white on, and I'm doing it a little bit different on this one. On the center rose, on the left side, I've made the shadow on the top part. And if you notice on the right leaf, I made the shadow on the bottom part. And once again, it's just for variety's sake. And now I am going around the little circles that envelop the rose with an orange color. At the end of this video, I have a couple of different versions of this image. The color of the roses are still the same. It's the color of the dots that I have changed. Just so you can see how changing just a little bit will actually have definitely a noticeable difference. This first one, everything is just those few colors: yellow, orange, green, white. And on the one that I changed it to, I changed all the dots to a lavender purple color. Only because I was thinking, you know, here's this royal, beautiful rose. It's almost like a golden crown. And of course, purple, you know, is a color of royalty. So I thought, well, I'll just change it to that and see how it looks. And I actually think I probably like the one with the lavender purple dots better. What do you think? Well, when you get to see it anyway, it's almost here. And believe it or not, this is about it. Like I said, I can't believe this is the shortest one yet. But it is. And I didn't give you much quiet time, did I? No. I guess today was a little Miss Talks-A-Lot day. Okay. Now you can see what it looks like all finished. It's bold, and that rose in the center is the thing to be noticed. Now you can see where I've transformed the dots into the lavender purple color. So which do you like better? I do think I really do like the lavender better. Maybe it's because of the contrast. I hope you have a wonderful day and that you enjoyed this. Talk to you again soon. Much love, Olivia.